because anytime we're dividing, anytime you see this fraction bar, that means we're dividing. So that means we're going to subtract our exponents. So it's going to be 6 minus 3. So if I look, I'm going to have 8. Then I have my 27. 6 minus 3, not to insult you. But what's 6 minus 3? I know, I'm digging deep here. She's like 3. I know, everyone's like second guessing themselves, like 6 minus, is it 3? It's so simple. Is it 3? I'm like, yeah, it's 3. Okay, so not a negative 3 because we're not subtracting the denominator and the numerator. We always start at the numerator. Okay, so numerator minus the denominator. So that gives me 3. So here's the trick question. Where would my x's go? Not my x, because he can go H-E double hockey sticks. But anyway, but where can my x in the problem, where would it go? Would it go in the numerator or in the denominator? Oh, sorry. Thank you. Okay. Would it be in the numerator or in the denominator? Okay, I got 3 votes for the numerator. 4 votes for the numerator. 5 for the numerator. If you don't really feel like typing out the whole word numerator, just make it that. Because it's not a negative. Okay, no. All right, good. So you have 3 left over on the top. Good, user. Thank you. Okay. So here you have 6 over 3. So if I write it out, let me write it out up here. So I have 6 x's. And then I have 3 x's down here in the denominator. Okay. So if I want to cancel out, this will give me 1.